What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're cruising it in the E30. We're gonna go meet up with Alex and Jordan. Jordan hasn't seen the car yet, so let's get a good reaction from him. I think he'll be pretty stoked with the new project car. Today is his birthday, so we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna go probably cruise up Highway 1 and kind of enjoy the weather here in Santa Cruz. But so far I've just been kind of looking at some of the things that I want to do to the E30 after having it now a week. There's been a lot of stuff that I want to work on. A couple things include the front brakes need to be redone because they're kind of wearing unevenly. I also want to fix the shifter linkage, as some of you may have seen in the last video. Kind of freshen up some of the bushings in there. The rear shocks are completely blown out, so I want to replace that. It's kind of making the car handle a little weird. I also want to do a valve adjustment because I was looking up some stuff to kind of do some good maintenance on the M20, and it looks like you can adjust the valves yourself. Every 15,000 miles is what some people recommend. So I looked up a video on how to do that and kind of read up on it because I haven't actually done a valve adjustment before, and it seems pretty easy to do for someone with the right tools and a general mechanical knowledge. So I'm gonna give that one a shot pretty soon here, but there's a few things that I want to order with that valve service, like a new valve cover, some probably fresh nuts, and because those are probably rusted and are worn out, so I'm gonna want to replace those. But other than that, I haven't really come across anything else. What's up? How's it going?
You look really good.
One thing I like about having an old car is I can just leave everything open and I don't have to worry about it.
What's weird is Jordan looks like he fits in this also.
I'll trade you.
Look at him. I keep thinking Jordan's French. Little bonjour.
I forgot it's European.
Hey, ready?
Yeah, you got it. There you go.
Why is his shirt and everything look so good in it? Yeah. Damn, look at him go.
Great.
Look at him go.
Jeez. Is this?
What do you think?
You know what's weird is it's surprisingly bigger than I was expecting.
How's that for you?
Dude,
he loves those things.
No, it's bigger than I was expecting.
The windows are huge. Like,
it's the loosest fucking shifter.
it's so bad.
Dude,
I'll fix it. I'll
Put it
fix it.
first. Put it first. Put it first.
I don't even.
Ready? And then shake
do
it.
There you go.
Dude, are you serious?
Holy, this is like an old Tacoma. Like that's how it feels.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
No, let me know.
Ready?
Oh,
yeah.
That's the 80s.
Yeah.
You know what blows my mind is people turn these into race cars.
Hell yeah.
There's
I
a
don't know why that,
full-blown spec E30 class for
Like,
racing them.
What do they put in it though?
It's the stock engine. They just like beef them up a little bit.
Built and turboed or what?
No, just stock. They just like
Really?
make them super fresh and like rev higher and stuff.
Little fucking intercooler and shit, but it's radiator. You get this thing right there.
Okay, obviously, like it's not crazy fast, but like, is it?
It's got
is
a little
it-
juice.
I was gonna say,
it's
is
got
there
top
more
end.
kick than you were expecting?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, you can drive it and
It's all up top, huh?
it's all up top.
It's all up top.
Yeah.
Hey, and the back windows do the thing that you like? The little pop?
Like
Yeah.
Are the fronts tinted?
No.
Yeah, because the backs are dark.
I fucking love it.
I love it so
I
much.
fucking...
Am
the
I
wheels and everything.
That's mirrors, right?
Yeah. Power mirrors.
Where's the window?
By the shifter.
Whoa!
It's just like the
Power
E46.
fucking windows too?
Yeah.
And then crank sunroof.
Yeah, which is weird. You'd think that'd be power too.
Adam's fucking...
I had to put it on
The
there.
sticker actually
These
is sick.
aren't. These aren't. Are these the Euro spec bumpers? They look really small. Like really
they're like-
short.
Yeah, they're a little
I
different
think the
from like
all-wheel
the other
drive
ones I've
one's like way
seen.
different, right? Because the little flare thing.
Yeah.
So much more like rally specs.
Yeah.
Like the wheels and even like the little flares.
Yeah, the flares only came on the all-wheel drive. Or the M3. But I
they
think that was
use
like
an
box
IX?
fenders.
Did
Huh?
they use an IX back in like the late 80s doing rally?
I have no
Maybe.
idea. I have no idea. This thing could be
I
a
like it.
sick rally car though.
They used to, oh my god, wait, why?
Okay, don't look at that rotor. It's
See,
just toasted. It's
Wait,
toasted.
it looks like a slinky.
Dude, I know.
Wait, what's going on?
I know. The rotor's just
Sir.
toast on this side.
Sir!
Oh my god.
It's just done.
Oh!
It's so done.
It actually has texture.
Yeah, it's like a cheese grater.
I love it.
That's insane. Okay, so what's the plans?
I don't know.
It's a whole nother video, but like,
I mean, I was thinking just this video is gonna tell them, like, kind of my ideas.
because yeah, I mean, are you gonna restore it and try to flip it? Is it like you gonna strip it for a track car? Is it a street car that you can track?
See, there's so many
options.
things. Like, engine swaps are like unlimited in this thing.
I say E36 drivetrain in this bitch. Easy enough.
What engine
because
is
it bolts
that?
in.
S50 and S52. See, that's what I was thinking too. It's the easiest, and it's OEM plus. LS, that's too much weight in the front.
You know, my friend has a red E30 with an LS in it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, actually. LS 3.
The 5.2.
Wow. The 5. Stop throwing freaking
I don't even know what that means.
those like cubic inches at me, Jesus. All right, so I think the guys both like the car a lot because they're over here just making TikToks left and right with the E30. But I think we could discuss some of the things that I'm thinking about doing with the future of this car. So, as it sits, it's fairly stock. It just has lowering springs, which I think complement the car very well. There's a couple things that I want to do to it, like I mentioned earlier right off the bat, but as for a long-term goal for this car, I've got a few ideas in mind. One, track car with a good solid NA motor, like an E36, E46 swap, something like that. The other idea was to kind of keep its character with keeping it all-wheel drive and then also doing an engine swap. I was looking into the, I think it's the S54, which is the E46 M3 engine, and you can actually swap that into an E30 and keep the car all-wheel drive, so I was thinking that's a really good option as well. The other plan would be to just rebuild the M20 and then turbo that, because those do make pretty good power, roughly around 400 wheel, which I think is absolutely plenty for how light of a car that is. So those are kind of, and then the other idea was also leaving completely stock, freshening up the car, the engine, the chassis, everything as much as possible, and just kind of leaving it and enjoying it for what it is. But those are kind of some of the long-term goals that I was thinking about and different ideas that I had in mind for it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What your thoughts are, or some creative ideas that I could go with as far as a build plan for this car. So Alex wants a walk around of what we got going on here.
Yo,
So
what's going on here, Tommy? What's going on?
So you guys already know what kind of car it is, right?
No, I don't even think we said. I don't think I told them exactly what it is.
Okay,
They know it's
so-
an E30 and it's all-wheel drive, but year and stuff like that.
89 E30 325 iX,
Yep.
coupe manual.
Love that. Love that. Look at the interior. Look at the interior.
So
it does have a floppy stick. You know, we'll get back to that. But it works.
So it's got some like dings here and there and some good dents.
This
the
is the good
paint's
side.
faded. This is the really good side though.
Like this is pretty straight.
Yeah, this side's pretty good.
But I mean the other side is.
The interior's not bad.
The taillights are my favorite.
I do really like the taillights.
No, check out the tails.
I like the spoiler that comes on there. I think
Love
it's pretty solid.
This side needs some love. We'll pop that thing out. No issue.
Yeah, these can be popped out pretty easy.
The flares is the sickest part, to be honest.
It's just, you know what it is? It's the fact that the flare comes all the way down and then it like
Integrated in the side
molds
skirt.
into the side
It
skirt.
looks like it's a body kit, you know?
Yeah.
But it's functional because it's all-wheel drive. The bumpers we were even talking about, they look a lot smaller and stuff, like in the rear.
They
you know?
do look a little like higher up, probably because it's the all-wheel drive one.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't look as low. I don't know.
Apparently it's stock exhaust. They were freaking
stock
looking
pipes.
JDM with the blast pipes. It's pretty sick though overall. I think the interior is probably my favorite. Looking all freaking cafe racer style. Look at that thing.
I really like tan interior on the red. I think it just goes so well with the car.
It does actually go really, really well. I like it. I like the contrast too. You know how like this is black, but also, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because some people have like the tan dash and shit like that, but
Yeah, no,
the
they didn't
contrast
like do
is
like
nice.
overkill with it.
yeah. How this is black too.
Yeah, that's your headlights right there. So you
pull
pop
it?
pop one out
Shut
is
up.
your like daylights, and I think, and then full lights and tails,
Whoa. You know
and then
what?
fog lights.
I actually remember that. I feel like my mom had a Beetle, like a '69 Beetle, and I feel like the lights were like on the foot or some bullshit.
Really?
Yeah, like there
Whoa.
was some weird shit. Like you pushed it for the lights, or you pulled some weird shit for the lights. Like
Yeah.
oh, and how these things are all manual. You actually have to go back.
Yeah, you have to
Which is
actually put it back.
kinda funny.
Mm-hmm.
That's fucking crazy. Gotta fix that.
I fixed it. It's good.
It's fucking sick.
Yeah, I like it.
And this shit fucking bumps too.
It kind of slaps. Like the stereo's not bad. Yeah. I think what I really want to do is, like I said before, I want to get those door cards. Just clean it up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, with like the pole fucking tag shit.
Dude, it'd be so sick, like GT3s have. Yeah, I haven't actually heard this thing from the outside, so just give me a couple revs.
Yeah, no, we'll see
if it starts.
See how the new project sounds. No!
Whoa, there it is!
You need it to come up.
Trusty steed.
You need it to come up. Hold on. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Little rever for the boys.
Oh, that sounds really good. No, Alex, you gotta hear it from the outside.
Hit it one more time.
No, it sounds so good. It has a little pop. Oof.
Oh, it smells good. It sounds so BMW. Sounds good.
I like it.
Ain't shooting smoke or anything, you know?
No. Nice, smooth little like exhaust tone.
I like it.
Muffler delete, and this thing would sound so good.
Yeah.
All right, so Jordan has not been in an E30 before. So I gave the keys to Jordan. He's gonna go out and take it for a test drive. So let's go for a little ride with Jordan. Close the hood. Are you nervous?
I can't like figure out why I can't film this TikTok. Sorry, I'm not nervous. Kind of. Alrighty, well let's hope she starts. That's kind of fucked up.
It's gonna crank forever, so just have.
It's this one, right?
Yeah.
What?
You have to go in on an angle.
Is it the same?
It's a little weird. You just kind of like.
You gotta jimmy it in there. All right.
Don't ever call my car Jimmy.
Alright.
You just gotta turn it over. Oh, it started.
Started easily.
Nice.
Wait, that was really healthy.
Yeah, it doesn't normally start like that.
It's cause I'm driving her. Oh, it's like seatbelt.
Wow.
What's going on?
He's making a TikTok.
First.
All right, what'd you think?
It's a cruiser. It gets a lot of looks. Like a lot of people look at it, but drives really nice. And I think a set of coils and a nice exhaust, it'd be a perfect cruiser.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Have to get exhaust.
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys think I should do the BMW next. I personally think an exhaust should be next. Again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.